Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today's profile vegetable is the 2015 All America Selection winner, the Roxanne Radish. A couple of tips to get radishes that get to a nice size, and the Roxanne are beautiful. Beautiful red, nice and round, good size. Make sure you give them a lot of space, at least 2 inches for any of your radishes really. I always start them by putting 2 seeds into a hole. You don't want to wait around for something to germinate. Although germination is really high, I had to come back and thin them. But thin them about 3 days after they break the surface. You don't want them competing at all. So as soon as you see 2 seedlings come up, about 3 days later, remove one. And also, do not fertilize these at all. These are just living off of last year's fertilizer, whatever was left in the ground. If you give them nitrogen, you're going to end up with a lot of green leaf, and you're not going to get a beautiful round radish. I planted them over here too. You can just see how well the Roxanne does. If a radish looks like that, we've had rain for the last 5 days. That's because they've absorbed water too quickly. But just look at the size of these radishes. The Roxanne Radish is a 2015 All-America Selection winner. Hope it's something you try in your garden. I've been growing it now for 3 years. They're beautiful red radishes. Very easy to grow. Radishes are cool weather crops. You can plant them in the spring and you can plant them in the fall. The Roxanne radish takes about 21 days to mature to this size after germination. And remember, direct sow your radishes. They don't do well as transplants. And again, this is the Roxanne Radish, a 2015 All-America Selection winner. And remember, when you buy any All-America Selection winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching.